Oh, hi. More antics in Coos Bay. That's the Lady Washington and the Hawaiian Chieftain. Sister ships out of Grays Harbor, Washington. And they're about to go for a sail in about 10 minutes. I'll get them when they're moving along, but I just thought it would be fun to show you a little bit of our backyard.
Hello, Bill. Hello, Linda.
Hi! How are you?
Good.
Oh, wait. I'll get Dan. Don't!
Winter gear. I'm going to go saloon again. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's Bill.
I think it's $60 per adult.
Okay, so I'll just, I'll take some more shots. And there's the beautiful women. We'll be back.